This is Dr. Sheila Tikku speaking for class second year elements of scandium. Scandium has the quality of forming compound with oxygen, chlorine, tungsten, etc. because it has only one electron in the d orbital. It can form 30 which contains 3s 40% and the other compounds 60% such as it contains 2% scandium oxide. Because of its very light technological importance, little scandium is introduced. Scandium oxide is extremely stable to heat and thus it cannot be melted for formation of metal oxide. The metal is therefore extracted by electrolysis of fused sodium chloride with some quantity of scandium chloride. The latter is added to lower melting point. Zinc is used as a cathode. It is silvery white metal with metallic luster which gets tarnished in air due to the formation of scandium 2O3 on the surface. Scandium has high melting point 539 degrees centigrade and boiling point 2730 degrees centigrade. First three transition energies of scandium are so close that they cannot be melted. Reactivity of scandium is minimum. Its group 3b. It gives scandium 2O3 when ignited in air. Binary compounds of scandium. The number one binary compound is scandium oxide Sc2O3. Scandium oxide is obtained by oxidative ignition of metal or by heating oxy compounds like nitrate, hydroxides and hydroxides of halides. For example, scandium plus oxygen gives scandium 2 oxide. Then comes scandium hydroxide. Scandium hydroxide does not appear to have a definite formula, so it is very rarely prepared. Scandium nitrate. The hydrates react with nitric acid to form scandium nitrate. Scandium halides. Preparation of scandium halides is quite easy. These compounds are of great value in metal production because they form a complex compound with scandium oxide which on heating gets dissociated. The hydrous halides are preferably prepared by thermal hydration of hydrates. Then we come on to scandium sulfate. The anhydrous scandium sulfate is obtained by heating concentrated sulfuric acid with solution of scandium nitrate at 127 degree centigrade. Complexes. The complex anions scandium fluoride has already been mentioned, and other complexes such as scandium bipyridine thiocyanide are also prepared because scandium has empty d orbitals in which it can accept electrons from lanthanides very easily and very sustainably. Organometallic compounds. View of the electronic configuration of the elements, it is surprising that pi bonding is very important, and such pi bonding is very subsequent in scandium compounds. Then we come to titanium. The transition metal which occurs in crust is the titanium oxide, and it is very rutile. Titanium oxide combines with chlorine to form titanium chloride. The high melting point and high refractory index of metal is good conductor for heat and electricity. Titanium has less compounds. The +4 oxidation state of the common metal titanium, which makes it quite frequent to form compounds such as compounds with chlorides and oxides. Binary compounds of titanium. The binary compounds of titanium can be frequently made by treating titanium with water traces, and this dissociate into titanium, hydrogen and hydroxides. Compounds of titanium. The compounds among the simple compounds of titanium in oxidation state, titanium oxide and titanic halides forms no simple oxalates, but they form fluorides and chlorides. Titanic oxide. Addition of alkali to titanic salts give a gelatinous precipitate of titanic oxide. This titanic oxide then reacts with sulfuric acid and sodium hydroxide to produce titanyl sulfate and sodium titanium oxide. Halides. Tetrahalides such as titanium tetrahalide are formed by the interaction of the metal with halogens. The best known is titanium tetrachloride, which is formed by heating titanium oxide with carbon and chlorine. The other halides are prepared from titanium chloride by its appropriate acid. This appropriate acid forms other compounds of titanium. Application. Titanium dioxide is used in paint industry as pigment. A mixture of titanium chloride with trialkyl aluminum in hexane is known as Ziegler-Natta catalyst, which is employed in the conversion of ethene to straight chain polymer polyethylene. The probable mechanism is as follows given in the diagram.